In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell templates on Envato Elements. If you're a designer or developer looking to earn from your creative work, Envato Elements is a popular subscription marketplace where customers download templates, graphics, and other assets. I'll walk you through exactly where to go on the site and what you'll see right now, including an important update about new author applications. First, open your browser and head to elements.envato.com. This is the main homepage for Envato Elements. You'll see the search bar and categories across the top, but for becoming a contributor, you don't need to browse assets. Instead, keep things simple and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The footer is where Envato keeps key links for contributors and business information, so that's the place to look. At the bottom, find and select the link that says Become an Author. This takes you to the official contributor information from Envato. It's the page that explains how creators submit work, how earnings typically function on a subscription model, and what kind of content they accept. When the page loads, you'll notice a clear message stating that author intake is on pause. This is a normal part of how large marketplaces manage quality and demand. They sometimes stop accepting new creators while they review guidelines, categories, or capacity. Don't worry if you see this notice. It doesn't mean you'll never be able to join. It just means they're not accepting applications at this exact time. On that same page, click the Read More link. This will open the detailed announcement from Envato with the latest status and timelines. Here, Envato explains that applications to become an author are currently closed, and from late February 2026, they plan to reopen applications for some content types. That wording is important. Reopen dates can be specific, and not every category may be open at once. The Read More page is where you'll see which types of content are first in line and any criteria you should be aware of. Use this information to set your expectations and timing if your work aligns with the categories they plan to reopen. This is a good moment to review your portfolio quality, organize your best examples, and ensure your files meet typical marketplace standards like proper licensing, documentation, and clean, well-structured assets. When applications reopen, the process usually asks for examples of your work and details about what you create, so having everything polished and ready will save you time. That's it for today's walkthrough. Visit elements.envato.com, scroll to the footer, select Become an Author, check the notice, and then use Read More to confirm the latest timeline. Keep an eye on that page as late February 2026 approaches so you can apply as soon as the right categories open.